Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Today, we have something special for all you audio enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the Creative Sound Blaster Audigy FX PCIe 5.1 internal sound card. Now, before we dive into the details, let me tell you right from the start that this is one of the best sound cards available in the market today. Whether you're a gamer, a music lover, or a content creator, this sound card has got you covered. Let's start with some of the key features that make the Audigy FX stand out from the crowd. First off, it easily converts your PC into a cinematic entertainment system by providing a compelling 5.1 surround sound experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, this sound card delivers an immersive audio experience that'll blow you away. The Audigy FX comes equipped with SBX Pro Studio, a suite of Sound Blaster audio processing technologies. This means you can bring out the best in your audio, with features like crystal clear dialogues, enhanced bass, and an overall richer audio experience. Worried about compatibility? Don't be! This sound card supports Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. Plus, it includes both half-height and full-height brackets, making it suitable for most PC builds. Now, here's something that'll make all you headphone enthusiasts smile. The Audigy FX packs a powerful 600 ohm headphone amp, perfect for high-performance, studio-grade monitoring. Whether you have high-impedance headphones or not, this sound card ensures you get the best audio quality. Speaking of audio quality, the Audigy FX doesn't disappoint. With a 106 dB signal-to-noise ratio and a 24-bit 192 kHz digital-to-analog converter for playback, and a 96 kHz analog-to-digital converter for recording, you'll enjoy pristine audio fidelity like never before. Need to use multiple audio sources at once? No problem. This sound card comes with independent line-in and microphone connectors, allowing you to plug in two different audio sources to your PC. Perfect for those recording and mixing sessions. Now, let's talk about the build quality. The Audigy FX is compact and well-designed, making it easy to install in your PC. It's a PCIe X1 card, so it fits into most modern motherboards without any issues. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including a half-height I/O bracket, a quick start leaflet, and of course, the Sound Blaster Audigy FX sound card itself. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at what other users are saying. The Audigy FX has received high praise from customers, with a 4.3-star rating based on over 6,000 reviews. That's a testament to its performance and value for money. So, there you have it, folks. The Creative Sound Blaster Audigy FX PCIe 5.1 internal sound card is a powerhouse when it comes to audio quality. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or creating content, this sound card will elevate your audio experience to a whole new level. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, check the links in the description for the latest pricing and availability. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews here on Product Critique.